Tonight, there's a silent thief trying to steal your legs, and most people won't notice until the stairs feel like a mountain. If you're over 50, this isn't about fear, it's about truth. Because one day you wake up and you don't feel old, you just feel slower. Your knees complain, your balance feels shaky. You stand up from a chair and your body hesitates for half a second, and that half second is a message. Here's the suspenseful part. Your legs don't get weaker overnight. They get weaker in tiny, quiet drops, so small you don't fight back. Until one day you realize the fight has already started. But listen closely, because there's good news hiding inside this warning. After 50, your body naturally becomes more efficient at one thing: saving energy. It keeps what you use and it lets go of what you ignore. If your legs aren't challenged, your body thinks, we don't need this much strength anymore. So it slowly reduces muscle, power, and stability. And the scary twist is this: you can still look the same on the outside while your legs are changing on the inside. Muscle doesn't just help you lift weights. Muscle is your independence. It's your ability to catch yourself if you trip. It's your ability to carry groceries without pain. It's your confidence walking into a room and not needing to hold the wall. So why do legs get weaker after 50? It's usually a combination of simple things that quietly stack up. Less movement, more sitting, smaller steps, fewer squats without noticing, less fast walking, less climbing, less playing. The body adapts to the smallest life. Then there's the nervous system. Your brain and muscles are a team. If you stop asking your legs to be strong and quick, that connection fades. Not because your body hates you, because your body follows your instructions. And here's the hard line: comfort is an instruction. Another twist: many people train the easy muscles and skip the most important ones. They do a little walking, but they never train the hips, glutes, and thighs with real intention. Walking is wonderful, but it won't always protect you from weakness if it's the only thing you do. And one more truth people avoid: pain and fear create weakness. If your knees hurt, you move less. If you feel unstable, you avoid stairs. If you avoid stairs, you lose strength. It becomes a loop. But the loop can be broken, not with extreme workouts, not with punishment, with a simple, steady plan that teaches your legs one spiritual lesson: you are still needed. Before we begin, if you have injuries, dizziness, or a medical condition, work with a qualified professional. This is about safe progress, not ego. Now let's do the thing most people don't do until it's too late. We rebuild the foundation. Imagine your legs like a temple with pillars. If the pillars weaken, the whole structure feels unsafe. So we restore the pillars: strength, balance, and power, gently but consistently. Start with this: 3 days a week, 20 minutes. That's it. The secret isn't the workout. The secret is the return, coming back again and again. First move: the chair stand. Sit on a sturdy chair, feet flat. Lean forward slightly, stand up, sit down with control. That's not basic, that's survival strength. Here's the suspense: if you can't stand up smoothly without using your hands, your legs are asking for help. Do 2 sets of 8 to 12 slow reps. If it's too hard, use your hands lightly. If it's too easy, hold a small weight close to your chest, like a book or a water bottle. And as you rise, say this in your mind: I rise on purpose. Second move: the calf raise. Hold a wall or chair for balance. Lift your heels. Pause. Lower slowly. Why does this matter? Because calves are your brakes and your springs. They help with balance, walking speed, and stopping yourself from falling. Do 2 sets of 12 to 20. Slow. Controlled. Now the twist. Most people only train what they can see. But strong calves are quiet guardians. They protect you without applause. Third move, the step up. Use a low step. Even the bottom stair works. Step up with one leg. Stand tall. Step down slowly. Alternate sides. This trains the exact pattern you need for stairs, curbs, and real life. Do 2 sets of 8 to 10 each side. Hold support if needed. Keep it smooth. And right here, many people discover something. One side is weaker. That's not failure. That's information. And information is power. Fourth move, the hip hinge. Stand tall, soft knees. Push your hips back like you're closing a door with your hips. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Return to standing. This teaches your body how to lift safely, how to protect your back, and how to strengthen the muscles that make you stable. Do 2 sets of 10 to 12. Here's the suspense line. When people say, "My back hurts," often the real story begins in weak hips and weak legs. Fifth move, balance practice. Stand near a wall, lift one foot slightly, and hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Switch sides. If that's easy, close your eyes for a moment, only if safe and supported. Balance is not a gift, it's a skill. And like any skill, it fades when ignored and returns when trained. Now, the emotional twist. You don't train balance because you're afraid of falling. You train balance because you believe you deserve to move freely. That's the workout. Simple, powerful, real. But there's one more secret that makes this work faster. Walk with intention. At least 4 to 6 days a week, take a walk. Not a slow, tired walk that says, "I'm just getting through the day." An intentional walk that says, "I am still alive in my body." Add 30 seconds of slightly faster walking, then 60 seconds easy. Repeat a few times. This teaches your legs to handle change, not just steady comfort. And don't forget the quiet support: sleep, protein, and hydration. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. Muscles rebuild when you rest. Strength grows when you recover. Your body is not a machine, it is a living story. Now listen to this part carefully, because it's the heart of the whole message. After 50, strength isn't about looking young, it's about staying able. Able to get up from the floor, able to walk with someone you love, able to travel without fear, able to live in your home without feeling trapped by your own stairs. And here's the cinematic truth. Every time you do a chair stand, you're not just training your legs, you're training your future self to stand tall when life gets heavy. So do this before it feels too late, not because time is chasing you, but because life is calling you. Start small, start safely, start today. And when your legs shake a little, don't panic. That shaking is your body waking up. That's your nervous system remembering. That's your strength returning. One day soon, you'll climb stairs and notice something strange. You won't think about your legs, you'll just move. And in that quiet moment, you'll feel it. Peace in the body, confidence in the heart, and gratitude in the soul. Because the truth is, your legs are not leaving you behind. They're waiting for you to lead.